So while I can't use my drip maker, I can use my pour over cone and it'll be just fine. And to add a tip to that, if you have a thermos, the best thing you can do if you have a pour over cone is boil your water in the morning, like enough to fill the thermos, close the thermos, and then use that to do the pour over cones for the rest of the day. And then you only had to boil water once, and it'll make your whole day more pleasant. You can have a hot tea, or you can have a hot chocolate, or you can have a hot coffee anytime you want until it's gone. That's why I have a Stanley. And back in the day when I would use a stovetop percolator, I would just put the coffee in the thermos and we'd have hot coffee out of the thermos all day. That's what we did in 2020 when we didn't have power for days. Is I would make a French press in the morning, pour it in there, pour the rest in everybody's cups, and then we had coffee until I had to make another French press. It worked great. I learned that from my grandparents on the road, like with their camper back in the day when we were going all over the Southwest. It's a trick that makes you more comfortable in a power outage.